What's up, guys? This is the Resilient Father, and this is my first YouTube video of this channel. So thank you guys for joining me and watching this video. So today, I want to talk to you guys about gold, right? And mainly this channel is going to be about precious metals and law of attraction. And these two things go hand in hand because the more gold you own, the more wealth you will attract. Gold attracts wealth. Gold attracts more gold into your life. All right. And of course, I have silver too. Silver also attracts wealth into your life. Also supposed to be help, repel viruses. Also, there's that whole legend like it kills werewolves and stuff, and it's supposed to, be like antibacterial as well as ward off any negativity. But gold is, of course, that as well. But I want to talk to you guys about gold and silver. Gold and silver is God's money. This is real money. This right here, this money that you see right here, this is all fake. This is essentially just paper backed up by the fact of, what's in our mind and by the government. And right now, government is printing trillions of dollars. Especially I think there's going to be a second stimulus check. Trillions of dollars, and so this is worthless. Okay, the buying power of $20 used to have, you can buy your whole groceries with this, and now you probably can't get more than 2 items now. So that's where it's going. But a gold, 1 ounce of gold will always be 1 ounce, and there's only a finite amount of floating gold around, and most smart people are hoarding it, and like the government, like China and USA, the Federal Reserve, they're hoarding this stuff, so the value of it keep going up. As right now, this is 1760 an ounce right now. And so, again, telling you guys about how law of attraction goes hand in hand with gold is because I'm reading Robert Kiyosaki's book, Fake. I'm almost done with this book. Amazing book if you guys want to, learn more about financial education and what's going on in the current system right now. It's a great book. I recommend it. I also recommend you guys reading Robert Kiyosaki's first book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. That really breaks down the fact about it has the basic concept about money, and that's very, very important. And this channel is probably going to be like a financial educational channel, but as well as law of attraction because it kind of goes hand in hand, as I said. So Robert talks about how gold attracts wealth. At one point, he was at some seminar for a guru, and the guru was wearing like tons of gold. And he was like, "Why are you wearing so much gold?" And the guru says, "Because gold attracts wealth. Gold is the tears of God, and you can decide how you're gonna make money, because tears can be either tears of joy or tears of sadness, and God wants you to make tears of. You want God to have tears of joy, okay, not tears of sadness. So that depends on how you make your money. Of course, there's a lot of crooks out there, a lot of robbers, but even those robbers, drug dealers and stuff like that, they still can make money. They still can have gold, but you want to be making it in the right way. But anyway, Robert Kiyosaki talks about a lot about spirituality too. I was very surprised how much about spirituality is in this book. Because you would think this is more of like a finance book, but he talks about how money is energy, and essentially it's very spiritual. If you want to be an entrepreneur, you have to have strong spiritual and emotional and mental and physical health in order for you to become a great entrepreneur, because money definitely is spiritual, especially when he talks about gold all the time. And he talks about how gold is God's money. Gold is God's money. And I was really impressed by Robert Kiyosaki's book, and it just talks about. I really recommend you guys. Probably put a link down below if you guys want to check it out. Okay, but yes, and I want to tell you guys a testament about how the money. Gold really does attract wealth. So essentially, in the book, he talks about how the guru, he had an interaction with the guru. He says, "So, are you saying that if I own $1,000 worth of gold, I'll be making $1,000 a month?" And the guru basically said yes. And so you mean that if I have $1 million worth of gold, that I'll be making $1 million every month? And essentially, Guru said, pretty much, but how about you just try it out with $1,000 worth of gold? And so, and in his testament, he says that, over time he started to gather gold, about $1,000 worth of gold, and eventually he made that much every month. And then he started, him and his wife started to gather even more gold, and he started making $1,000 every month. And now Robert Kiyosaki owns millions of dollars worth of gold, and he makes millions of dollars every single month. So, my pile here is still starting up. Okay, I have pretty much a little over 3 ounces. This is 1/10 of an ounce. 3 ounces of gold right now. And I don't know the whole deal about silver too, but silver is supposed to as well. This is also very spiritual, right? Silver is supposed to also bring in wealth as well. Silver right now is about $17.60 an ounce, which is fantastic. And the debate is that silver is going to be worth a lot, because this is a lot of industries use silver, so it might be burning out very soon. But with gold, people hoard this stuff. Governments and rich people hoard this stuff, so that's why it's going to be even harder to get as well. Plus, we do use it for like computers and stuff. But the more gold you own, the more you will have. Okay, so essentially, this is about all the gold I have about is a $5,000 worth of gold. $5,000 worth of gold, including the silver, is about 7,000. So essentially, if this works with gold and silver combined, I should be making $7,000 a month. And let me tell you guys, I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm not there yet. But strange enough, as soon as I started to get more gold, right? I'm currently doing some stuff on eBay. I'm currently looking into real estate now. But my income has gone up. Like my eBay sales, it started to work. I started to make sales, and I'm not kidding. Like I recently bought this soundbar thing that I found on Target, and it was on clearance, and I flipped it. It was like $60, and I sold it for $150. Like that's how crazy it was. I was like, wow, this is interesting. Like this kind of really does work, and I carry this in my wallet. Don't you're not really supposed to do that. Okay, I don't recommend you guys doing that, right? But I carry these two ounces of gold with me, because I think that this might be the very spiritual aspect of it, law of attraction stuff. Gold attracts wealth. Gold attracts gold. And I'm putting it in my wallet, okay? I want more money in my wallet. And for some reason, it's bringing me more money, okay? I'll be getting, that thing from the PayPal app saying like, oh, someone just bought something on my eBay store, right? And I've just begun. And recently I'm like, all right, let's go and I want to stir up the energy, the frequency, the vibrations of manifestation, money, right? And I've been getting this book. I bought this book, Happy Pocket Full of Money, The Magic, Hero, The Secret right now. All of these books. And of course, the Robert Kiyosaki, financial educational books, because I'm just feeling it right now. I'm feeling the vibration. I'm feeling the abundance frequencies. And also this 5-minute journal here. This is a great freaking journal. This allows me to freaking just think about all the positive aspects of a day, have my affirmations down, and writing gratitude. You guys have to have extreme amount of gratitude. That's the real secret, having the feeling of gratitude, because the universe, God, the source, whatever you want to call it, I say God only, he can't, well, I guess God can read your mind. Okay, God is God, right? But he dwells better on your emotions, how you feel. Let's say the universe, in the terms of universe, God, I see God like all-knowing being, right? If I say it like that. But the universe, let's say the universe itself can't, let's say if he wasn't like materialized, right? He wouldn't understand words. Okay, he will understand feelings though, emotions though, right? And if you act as if you are grateful for something that you already have and something that you don't have, right? The universe wouldn't know the difference of if you actually have it or not. The same thing with your subconscious mind and your conscious mind. If you're already grateful and you feel what it's like to already be like, whatever, having that car you like, or the millionaire lifestyle you have, if you already have that feeling, the universe doesn't know if you have it or not, but it will give it to you. It's going to match the frequencies. Like, oh, here's the guy who feels like he's a millionaire, and here is the actual gold, right? This frequency has the same frequency, right? These two are matching up. Let's have these guys meet together because these guys have the same frequency. Like attracts like, right? And so that's the thing. If you really want to manifest amazing life, right, you guys first have to, I would recommend get gold and silver. All right, if you guys can't afford gold right now, so I would recommend you start with silver. 1 ounce is around probably $20, depending on where you get it. It could be 25 right now since everything is crazy. And certain people are trying to make money. They're trying to make money on their premiums. But yeah, so that's what I'm trying to say, guys. Gold attracts wealth, and trust me, this does work. But it's not enough to just have gold in your pocket. Also be careful with having gold in your pocket. You have to have the gratitude mindset, and you have to kind of study. You have to study what it's like to do this stuff, how to do law of attraction, how to create abundance, having that group abundance mindset, the abundance feelings that you have in your mind. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys can go ahead and press that thumbs up button and subscribe. All right, this is a brand new channel. I am just trying to make more of these as much as I can. Law of attraction, precious metals, building finance, finances, building wealth, all that good stuff. And I will, do a lot of law of attraction stuff. I'm just starting out. I'm just getting back into law of attraction and, financial education, all that good stuff. But all right, thank you guys for watching. This is the Resilient Father. You guys have a good one. Stay safe out there. Peace.